Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this sailor set in Heartopia Global's event. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to buy all these items, you need to go to the Fashion Wave store. You're going to go to the Global's event menu and select the Fashion Wave store. And then it will be refreshed daily guys. And for now it's not available, so you need to wait until the set is available here. I've already purchased it. Let me show you the set. Okay, this is the set guys. Let me scroll down. This one and this one. Oop, I think it's a little bit different. Mine is this. And yeah, just go to the Fashion Wave store and purchase it from there. And you need the Fashion Wave token, of course. And you can earn them by completing the challenge, the Fashion Wave challenge or the quest from this event. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the sailor set in Heartopia Global's event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.